Students, now we are going to discuss about filters or filter circuits. Filter circuits. Generally, the term filter, what is the meaning of filter? Do you know that filter? Yes, filter in usually life, daily life, this is the filter, water filter. This is the water filter. This water filter used in purification of water. That filter separates from water particles or obstacles. So in the process of purification, the filter is used as separates different components. The word filter is defined as separates different components of a mixer. So the word filter defined as separates different components of a mixer. There are a number of filters: mechanical filter, optical filter, electrical filter, so many filters. So first one is mechanical filter. Mechanical filter can separate particles from liquid or water or any source small particles from large particles. So a mechanical filter can separate particles from liquid or water, any source, small particles from large particles. It means a mechanical filter separates particles, small particles from large particles in any liquid or any water or any source. Next one is the optical filter. Optical filter as well as same can separate different wavelengths. Optical filter can separate different wavelengths. For example, different wavelengths. So this is the wavelength. So some another wave. So it has some different wavelengths. So that filter separates these two wavelengths. Similarly, next filter is electrical filter. So this is our filter. Electrical filter. Same as its definition is electrical filter definition is can separate different frequency components. An electrical filter can separate different frequency components. This is our filter. So here electrical filter is used to separate electrical filter is used to separate higher frequency to lower frequency. That filter separate higher frequency to lower frequency, and also the filter separate bands and bandwidths. Also separate bands or bandwidths. What is the bandwidth? The term bandwidth. Bandwidth is the maximum data transfer rate, internet connection or network connection in computers. That term in computers, bandwidth is maximum data transfer rate of internet connection or network. In physics or in electronics, the bandwidth is different upper frequency to lower frequency. This is the bandwidth. The different. So this is the bandwidth, lower frequency, upper frequency. This is the band, this is the bandwidth. So these are elements of filter topic. Mainly filter classified into two types. Filters classified into two types. First one is the active filters. Second one is the passive filters. Active filters made from transistors. Active filters made from transistors. Passive filters made from resistors or capacitors. Active filters and filters is classified into two components. First one is the active filters, second one is the passive filters. Active filters made from transistors, passive filters made from resistors or capacitors. So active filters not only consume voltage and also gain the energy. Here active filters made from transistors, transistor is used as an amplifier. So active filters here not only consume the voltage, and also gain the energy. Here not that position is not here. So these called as passive filters, is called as active filters. So in active filters and also passive filters there are four types. there are four types. First one is the low pass filter, and second one is the high pass filter, and third one is the band pass filter, and fourth one is the band rejection filter. First one, low pass filter, LPF, low pass filter. Second one is the high pass filter, third one is the band pass filter, fourth one is the band rejection filter. One by one we discussed. First of all, low pass filter. Low pass filter means low pass filter circuit. This is the x direction, this is the y direction. In the x axis we take frequency. In y direction V out, that is the output voltage. So low pass filter means low pass filter in the circuit, low pass filter in the circuit allows the only low frequency, attenuation of higher frequency. Attenuation means does not allow. In the low pass filter only allow the low frequency. So then we call as a low pass filter, only low frequency, attenuation of higher frequency, that means does not allow higher frequency. In this circuit, in all circuits there are two types, ideal circuit and practical circuit. Then explain. So this is the frequency 0 to increasing. This is the output voltage. So this frequency, low pass frequency, voltage. So in this region only low frequency is allowed. So this is the ideal circuit, but practically this circuit arranges this type curve. This is the low pass filter. It's allow only low frequency. This is the ideal circuit. Practically the circuit, the curve is here. Okay, this is the low pass filter. Second one is the high pass filter. High pass filter, high PEF, high pass filter. In high pass filter, it allows the circuit allows only high frequency, attenuation of lower frequency. Same as this is the y direction, this is the y direction, this is the x direction, this is the 0, this is the frequency, low frequency. In x direction we take frequency, in y direction output voltage. In high pass filter, the circuit allows only high frequency but attenuation of low frequency. That means does not allow low frequency. Low frequency region is here. So high frequency allows only high frequency. So high frequency, it does not allow the low frequency, attenuation of low frequency, only allow of high frequency. So this is the ideal circuit, but practically the curve is in this shape. This is the practically, this is the ideal. Okay, next filter, band pass filter. Third one is band pass filter. Band pass filter means it allows only band. Same as this is the y direction, this is the x direction. Y direction output voltage, x direction frequency. This is the lower frequency and this is the higher frequency. It indicates low frequency, so this is the high frequency. So this is the band pass filter. Band pass filter means it's allow only band. This is the band, this is the bandwidth, it's allow only the frequency allow only band means the difference between low frequency and higher frequency. Attenuation of lower frequency, attenuation of higher frequency. It's only allow in the difference between lower frequency and higher frequency. This is the ideal filter, ideal circuit, but in practically the band pass filter is in this circuit. The curve is in this shape. So this is the practical curve, this is the ideal filter, this is the band pass filter. Next one is last one is band rejection filter and also band stop filter. Band stop or rejection filter. So same as y direction, x direction, frequency, x, y, voltage output 0 to start. So it's only allow lower frequency and higher frequency attenuation of band. So it does not allow the band. So this is the lower frequency area, this is the higher frequency area, does not allow band, so it's called as band stop filter or band rejection filter. This is also F lower, F higher. So it's allow only lower frequency area, allow only higher frequency area, does not allow the band area. So this is the ideal circuit. In practically the curve is this shape. So this is the band stop filter. So filters are two types, active filter and passive filter. Either active or passive filters, there are 4 different types. First one is low pass filter, second one is high pass filter, third one is band pass filter, fourth one is band rejection filter. Okay.